there, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to Ocean Adventure. My name is JD, and you have already met my partner, a senior member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. She is none other than Randy. How about a big wave of Randy?
Alright guys, good afternoon. My name is Paul. Here at Ocean Adventure, we care about the environment. Even a sea lion wants to do their part to protect the ocean, which, of course, is their natural home. So therefore, the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. We are the proud, the brave, the beautiful. Hey guys, tell me, are we ready to go?
Let's see, Don. Ready? Yes, we are ready.
That's good. So let's show these folks how sharp we are.
Attention!
Wow, very nice. To work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit.
Now that's easy for Brandy because Brandy is a South American sea lion, not a seal. How can we tell? Let's take a look. Now guys, as you can see, sea lions have big and powerful front flippers. How powerful are they? Check this out. Guys, those flippers work great on land, but sea lions also use them to swim, a lot like bird uses its wings to fly through the air.
That's right. Sea lions also have back flippers or hind flippers that have teeth. They can do that very easy. Show them, Brandy. Very nice. Unlike the seals, they only have small front flippers, and they move their back flippers from side to side. And his back flippers don't have teeth, so on land they move a little bit funny.
Alright guys, would you like to see Brandy's imitation of a seal?